This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp.
So my next question is the why we use the meta character set UTF-8 tag in HTML.
Okay, the meta charset utf-8 is a tag. It specifies the character encoding for the HTML document. UTF stands for like Unicode Transformation Format 8-bit. Basically, it is a universal character set that includes characters from almost all written languages, ensuring like proper display of text. Basically, we can see text because of that tag in the web browser.
So if we do not use it, what happens then?
It will give an error, or it will not recognize all the languages of the basically all the languages from different part of the world.
Got it.
So it all includes all the character set of the different languages.
Understood.
Yeah.